He's sucking on your finger.
I'm not.
No.
Can you look at that one?
At what one?
That one.
What is it?
That one.
What is it?
That one.
You have to say what it is.
Can you look at that one?
What is it?
I don't know. Say look at that one, please.
Is it the Mario?
No.
Yoda?
No.
Batman?
No.
The dragon?
No.
The bunny rabbit?
No.
The treasure chest?
No.
The armadillo?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This one?
No.
Oh. The treasure chest?
No.
The Mario?
No. No.
The Iron Man?
No.
The monkey?
No.
The treasure chest with the dragon?
The monkey.
This?
No. The monkey.
This?
Yeah.
Nope, you can't look at that one. It's too small.
Can I look at that one?
This?
No.
This?
No.
This?
Yeah.
The pie?
Yeah.
Nope, it's too small.
How about the Woody?
I don't have a Woody.
How about that?
Oh, the Lego Woody?
Yeah.
Nope,
No.
too small.
That one.
The Wally?
The red one.
Ask nicely.
The big one, please. Is that the big one?
Please, can I look at the big Wally?
Can I look at the big one, please? Can I look at the big Wally? Please, Dad?
Sure.
Thank you.
But don't take him apart, King. Just look at him nicely.
I love his cars.
His wheels? Yeah, I love those too. They're called tracks.
Tracks.
Mm-hmm.